Hey everyone. So I got these DaVinci Pro panels from Jerry's Artorama. They're a nice wood panel, but they're already gessoed. So I'm just going to try them out today. I already have mine taped off, and I will be painting the sides black when it's done. So, but I just wanted to show these to you. They actually are on sale. So now's the time to get them if they're not out of stock already. But they sell fast, and I ordered such a big amount that the 11 by 14s and that are already sold out. So I don't know if you'll be able to get 12 by 12s, but check them out at Jerry's Artorama online. So what I want to do is a bottle bottom pour, but I want to do a dirty cup. And sorry, I'm definitely going to be tilting it, and I am going to put a black background down, only so it'll blend with the black sides when I do that. So let me get that started. We're going to make a mess because of the black. But, you know, canvases are white, so let's do something different, right? Okay, let me move these over. I want to see how they're going to cover. I didn't want to do it off camera. I wanted you guys to see how this covers. I probably should shake that a little bit. I did use it once today. And it doesn't matter if we get the sides all yucky because we're going to paint them anyway. So I'm just going to move it around. Now here's the thing too, when you guys are doing your bottle bottom pours, if you're using a base coat paint, you want to make sure you get most of that paint off of there so that your paint will glide with it. So I always tip it and just let it drip. That's one of the reasons that I do it before I start filming, because it's pretty boring to watch paint spill off of a canvas. Okay, so then I'll just run my finger along the sides, because we're, like I said, we're going to paint those anyways. Black is messy. I always say that, don't I? So we're going to layer some colors in a cup, and we're going to do the bottle bottom pour. Let me just torch that a little bit. Okay. So I want a paper cup. I think that'd be plenty. I'm going to spray it with WD-40 silicone spray first. Don't spray it over your canvas, you'll get little speckles. So I think I'm going to start with white, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and go this direction. And I'll tell you what colors they are in the next round. These are my go-to colors. If you've been watching my channel, you'll see a lot of paintings with these colors. Okay, so we're using Soho Phthalo Green Blue. That's from Jerry's. Artist Loft Cerulean Blue from Michaels. This is Creative Inspirations White from Jerry's. Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green. You can get this at Michaels and at Jerry's. Grumbacher Prussian Blue, same thing, Jerry's and Michaels. And Creative Inspirations Black, and that's from Jerry's. Okay, I'm not going to stir it or anything, it's just layered in the cup. I'm going to turn it just a smidge, and we're going to go ahead and pour. I do just a tiny little circle just to spread those colors to every petal. And I am using a 6 bottle bottom, 6 petal. I'll just let that run out. But you do get to use a lot of your paint. Putting that WD-40 in there and the bottom is completely clear. Alright, so now I'm going to pull it in with my skewer. Well, that's different going against wood. I'm just going to check my center. Of course, we're not centered. Let's get it all going. And it did go up just a little bit there. That's alright, because we're still going to stretch. So might as well let that go over. And we'll go across and let that go over. Back to the middle. I'm going to stretch up towards the left corner. Back. We're just trying to get rid of some of the paint. You can't leave it all on there. Way too thick. I'm going to head directly across to the next corner. There's that lime green. But it looks good on the black, so I'll let it stay. I always like these off-centered like that. Let me pull it down to the middle and see what it looks like. And I'm probably going to take it back. Alright, so let me look at it for a second. Yeah, there's a lot of green in that one spot. Maybe I'll take it this way. So we can get rid of some of that green. Since our sides are going to be black, we don't want to have too much green there. Tilt slow so you can control where you're going. I like that right there. What do you think? I like it. Let's give it a torch and see what we got. I gotta take my glove off. I'm all black. And I did have silicone in those paints, so of course I have cells. See how this dries with the color going over the sides. The only reason that I said I'd paint the sides is because I'm going to resin this, and you want to make sure that your wood is, well, you want to make sure you seal it so that if you put the resin on, you're not going to have air bubbling through your resin and creating bubbles. Yeah, I like that. Get this off. New air on here because I'm going to have to move it anyway. And I'm going to bring you up for a close-up. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that little bell for notifications. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy. Get your resin through Stone Coat Countertops. The links are below. If you purchase $80 worth of resin, you'll get $30 off. Use the code CWA in your shopping cart at checkout. And shop with us on Redbubble. And you can buy my paintings on Etsy. We are going to be having a big auction on Sunday, getting rid of some more paintings, so that will start at 7 p.m. Sunday night, Eastern Time, USA. Cleaning out the Etsy shop, making room for all new stuff. And we have a fan mail post office box, and that link is below, or that is below. If you want to send us cards or letters or a gadget to try on the channel, or if you want to sponsor us and send us some products, that's fine with us too. So have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.